everyone, I'm Lori from KidMadeModern, where we celebrate all of your kiddos' creativity. Today we're celebrating back to school. Our friend Anne, the owner of Play, it's a fun toy and book kid store in Chicago. She is here to do a fun back to school activity with us using KidMadeModern product. She has 3 locations in Chicago. Make sure to check her out. She's in Andersonville, Lincoln Park, and Logan Square. And we are so excited to have her with us today. Make sure to upload your pictures of your craft today and tag at KidMadeModern, #GoMakeStuff. Okay, everyone, have so much fun and happy back to school. Thanks, Anne.
Hi there. My name is Anne, and I own 3 stores in Chicago called Play. They're in Andersonville, Lincoln Park, and Logan Square. I'm here today to use some of my favorite KidMadeModern products to show you a great back to school project. Really, did back to school ever sound as good as it does this year? Anyway, the kits I'm using are the Arts and Crafts Library, which is amazing and so full of product that it should be illegal. Like, check all of this out. So I am using this kit, but you could also use the Over the Rainbow craft kit if you don't have popsicle sticks at home. So that's the reason I chose the libraries, because I needed popsicle sticks for my project. We are going to make a photo prop for your first day of school, but one that can be used all year long. The other items I picked were the Jumbo Marker Set, which I love for the fat markers that their little hands can get a good hold of, and they have a really nice fine point tip. And then I'm using paper from the Artist Pad set, but of course you can use some paper that you have at home as well. The only thing I used that did not come from a KidMadeModern kit is a simple hole puncher. You don't need that. You could use a little piece of scissors or poke a hole through the paper with a pen, and I'll show you when we get to that piece. So the first thing you want to do, and this is, I have to say, the piece I had the most trouble with, is you're taking 6 popsicle sticks and you're making a rectangle. So I glued them together with the glue from the Arts and Crafts Library. You're just putting like a little dot on the end. Helps if you open the glue. And on the end of each of the popsicle sticks and gluing them together. I think I was just impatient and I didn't let it dry before I started the next step. So that's my tip to you. Make sure you let it dry. So you're just gonna glue it together on the ends and then one up, and across again until you have a rectangle. So once your rectangle is dry, you can do whatever you want to decorate the popsicle sticks. You can use the jumbo markers that we used before. I used pipe cleaners. So I'm gonna show you what I did. I did a rainbow one, and of course this is not dry, but I'm gonna start in the corner of one and fold the pipe cleaner over to attach it to the popsicle stick. And then I'm just gonna fold over, see what I mean? And over until I've covered the entire popsicle stick. There's so many different fun pipe cleaners. There's some striped ones, some glitter ones, so you really can customize this to fit your child's vibe. So you just keep doing that over and over. When you get to a transition and you need to change the color, just leave a little piece of the color you're using before, take the next color, connect it, and start your ring with the next color. So before you know it, you should have a really nice covered popsicle stick. Then what I did was I used some paper from the paper pad. I cut it to fit my rectangle that I made with the popsicle sticks, and then I decorated it. I decorated it first with all these fun stickers you get. Googly eyes, gems, there's tons of these lovely little sequins. So I used a bunch of this stuff and decorated my first day of school. I also did the math wrong. It would not be my 48th year of school. But I decorated it all. And then what I did was took 2 of the ends of the pipe cleaner and made a little hanger and wove it through the back so the child can hold it on their first day of school. Now, the fun thing is that you can remove this and it can just be something that they put on their door or in their room all year long. So I made this one. And then all we would do is kind of measure where the pipe cleaners are in the back. Do a little hole. Like I said, this is kind of where you can take a little pen and poke it through if you want. This crafts library comes with a really cute set of scissors. You could do that if you want as well. And then you would just undo your first day of school and put your new sign up that says no parents allowed. Perfect for their bedroom door or their study room. So what's fun about it is that so often you make these things and they probably just go in the trash afterwards, and this is something cute that they can kind of carry through the whole year, jazz it up throughout the year, and at the end redo it for their last day of school. One more thing about the crafts library, it's just so amazing. It comes with gems, so you could do a really cute beaded handle if you wanted to, if you had more time or a child that was a little older. It also comes with some string, which you could use to string the beads, which I love. There's just so much in here and such fun things. There's wooden dowels and peg dolls and wooden beads and so many options that I think no matter what your child was into, they would find something great with this set. Anyway, we are wishing you all the best school year ever. And if you're in Chicago area, please stop by and see us. Thanks so much and have a great one.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And for more fun inspiration and craft kits, check us out at KidMadeModern.com. Thanks, and I can't wait to see you all again for the next video.